Hello students, welcome to St. Angel's online classes. Students, we are working from home. So beta, in the previous video we have solved till question number 5. Now we will start from the question number 6. So we have to prove that cos pi by 4 minus x into cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x into this equals to sin x plus y. So here I am taking LHS. And LHS is cos pi by 4 minus x cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x and sin pi by 4 minus y. बेटा अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे ना इस एक्सप्रेशन को, then you will remind something. Remind what was the formula of cos a plus b. The formula of cos a plus b was cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, isn't it? That was the formula. So now here suppose that pi by 4 minus x is a. Just consider in your brain that it is like a and pi by 4 minus by b is like b. So cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. This is in the form this formula, isn't it? So cos a plus b equals to cos a cos minus sin sin b, same form I am having over here. So this is the formula of cos a plus b. It means what? Cos a यानी कि pi by 4 minus x cos a plus b यानी कि pi by 4 minus y. So it means what? Cos, this was the formula we have used. So cos बेटा pi by 4 plus I by 4 कितना होगा? 45 plus 45 90 यानी कि pi by 2 cos pi by 2 minus, take minus common, that would be x plus y. Okay बेटा cos pi by 2 minus theta equals to sin theta, because pi by 2 then cos would change into sin, and pi by 2 minus theta it means what? First quadrant, and in first quadrant all angles are positive. So cos pi by 2 minus theta would equals to be sin theta. It means what? Cos pi by 2 minus x plus y equals to sin x plus y equals to RHS. बेटा हो गया प्रूफ हमारा, ठीक है? प्लीज पॉज द वीडियो एंड नोट इट डाउन. Now look at the question number 7. But question number 7 is we have to prove tan pi by 4 plus x upon tan pi by 4 minus x equals to 1 plus tan x whole square upon 1 minus tan x is whole square. But this we have to prove. So now let's start. But take LHS. Tan pi by 4 plus x upon tan pi by 4 minus x. Beta, this is the form of tan a plus b. I hope you remember the formula. Tan a plus b equals to tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. Okay student, and beta tan a minus b would be tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a tan b. बेटा ये formulas learn कर लो, otherwise you might get problem. Okay, so now we'll apply the same formula over here. So tan a plus b, it means what? That would be tan pi by 4 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan x. Now apply the formula in the numerator as well. Tan a minus b. So tan pi by 4 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x. Okay student, it implies what? That tan pi by 4 is 1. So 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x. That would be 1 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan x. Beta that would be go upside and that would be over here. So it would become 1 plus tan x into 1 plus tan x. It means what? 1 plus 10x is whole square upon this 1 minus 10x into 1 minus 10x, so 1 minus 10x is whole square. बेटा इक्वल्स टू RHS आ गया. ठीक है, देखा how simple is this. If you remember the formula, questions are very easy for you. So you need to put all the formulas on your fingertips. Whatever formula you've been asked, that should be on your tip. Okay, students. Now please pause the video and note it down. Now look at the question number 8. Question number 8 is cos pi plus x cos minus x upon sin pi minus x into cos pi by 2 plus x equals to cot square x. Okay, students. So now we'll take the LHS. Cos pi by 2 plus into cos minus x sin pi by 2 minus x and cos pi by 2 plus x. Beta, here two things. Cos pi by 2 plus x. Beta, pi by 2, there is pi by 2, then cos would change into sin. So sin x. And beta, pi by 2 plus, it means what? Pi by 2 plus second quadrant. And in second quadrant, cos is negative. Add sugar T complete. In second quadrant, only sine and cosec are positive. So cos would be negative. So that would be minus sin x into. Beta, and we know that cos minus theta equals to cos theta, because minus theta lies in the fourth quadrant, and in fourth quadrant cos is positive. So that would be cos x. Okay. Now sin pi by 2 minus x. Sin pi by 2, beta, here is, this is pi by 2. Okay, beta, it was pi plus x, not pi by 2. It was pi plus x. By mistake, I wrote it down as pi by 2. So it's pi by minus x. So beta, pi plus x, cos pi plus x. It means what? Third quadrant. In third quadrant also, cos would be negative. So beta, but here, because we are using pi, then cos will remain cos x. But in third quadrant, cos is negative, so that would be minus cos x. Same here, sin pi minus x. Sin pi minus x. It means what? Second quadrant. And in second quadrant, sin is positive. So that would be sin x into cos pi by 2 plus x. Beta, cos pi by 2 plus, yani ki we are coming to the second quadrant. And in second quadrant, cos is negative. And we are using pi by 2, then sin, cos will convert into sin. So that would be sin x. But that would be of minus, because in second quadrant, cos is negative. So that it has become minus cos square x upon minus sin square x. And we know that cos x upon sin x equals to cot x. So hence it will become to minus cot square x equals to RHS. Okay, student, please pause the video and note it down. Students, now look at the question number 9. We have to prove cos 3 pi by 2 plus x into cos 2 pi plus x into cot 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot 2 pi plus x equals to 1. Okay. Is it plus in between? Yes, it is plus. Okay, now so take LHS. So the cos 3 pi by 2 plus x. This is 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 plus means what? In the fourth quadrant. And we know that in the fourth quadrant, cos is positive. Cos and sec both are positive. And when we are using pi by 2, then cos will change into sine. So it would be sine x. Okay. Now, cos 2 pi plus x. Beta, first of all, we are using pi, then cos will remain cos. And 2 pi plus, this is 2 pi plus. It means what? First quadrant. And in first quadrant, all angles are positive. So that would be sin x into cos x. Okay. Now beta, cot 3 pi by 2 minus x. This is 3 pi by 2. This minus, it means what? We are coming into the third quadrant. And we know that in third quadrant, cot or tan are positive. So beta, cot, we are using pi by 2, the cot will convert into tan. So that would be tan x. Tan x plus. But this is cot 2 pi plus. It means what? 2 pi plus means first quadrant. First quadrant, all ultimate functions are positive. And we are using pi, then cot will remain cot and cot x. Okay, students? So now this is sin x into cos x. Now what is tan x? We can say it like sin x upon cos x. And cot x is cos x upon sin x. Beta from here, sin x into cos x, take sin x cos x as common, LCM sorry, it would be sin square x and it would be cos square x. Beta that will be cancelled out and sin square x plus cos square x कितना होता है? It is 1 equals to RHS. Hence proof. Please pause the video and note it down. Now let us look at the question number 10. Question number 10 is similar to the question number 6. Exact same. This is sin n plus 1x, sin n plus 2x plus cos n plus 1x cos n plus 2x equals to cos x. Okay, beta. So I am taking LHS. Beta, first of all we know that cos a minus b equals to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. This is also same, cos a cos b sin a sin b. This is the same formula. So this is the formula of cos a minus b. So I am just writing it directly because the same question I have already solved for you. So you will get to know. So it is the formula of cos a minus b. Cos a. Here a is n plus 1x. So n plus 1x minus b. Here b is n plus 2x. N plus 2x. Just solve it. Cos that would be nx plus x minus nx minus 2x. So nx and nx would be cancelled out. So that would be cos minus 2x plus x. Cos minus x. And we all know that cos minus theta equals to cos theta. So cos minus x equals to cos x equals to RHS. Okay, student. Look how easy all these questions are. If you remember the formula, that's the cherry on the cake for you. If you remember the formula, so please learn all the formulas and see you in the next video.